Oh, here it comes.
What's up, guys? It's Chris with the GT Supercharged channel. Welcome back. Today is the big day. The Mustang is being delivered, and we finally get to see how it turned out. Randy with Subway Auto Body has gone out of his way to have it completely detailed for me and delivered to my work. I'm super excited and hope that you love how it turned out. If you enjoy this, please make sure to support me and subscribe to my channel. I'm always doing my best to get better with each video. Anyway, on to the reveal.
Oh, here it comes. Oh my God. That is sick. Oh my God. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Dude, look at that thing. It looks amazing,
right?
Dude.
The body kit is complete. and I am so happy with how it turned out. I also had the hood vents painted black to match the car color, if anyone noticed. Now that the car is back, I have to wait about 2 weeks to reinstall the front stripes, which I will do myself, and I'll post a video about it. And I have Coyote badges for the front and some Supercharged badges for the fenders that I'll put on when I have a chance. I'm really excited to do a lot with the car this season and make some really great videos. Please let me know what you think of how it turned out in the comments below. And again, please help me get this channel moving and subscribe. See you next video.